What's up, guys? Today I'm going to take you through a routine that I do personally to help myself get leaner and burn fat. It's only 5 minutes, and I do this daily whenever my goal is to get shredded. Now, this one is pretty simple. All you need is some space, get some water, make sure you're hydrated, and be ready to put this work in. So let's get right to it. All right, guys, so first we're going to start off with burpees. So basically, we're going to do 30-second continuous burpees. Basically, get through the movement and warm up the full body, get a real momentum going, and really waking up your whole body because you're using all your muscles almost when you're doing a burpee. So let's get right to it. Next, we're going to do a little bit of a lower impact movement like the lunges. So basically, we're going to stay in place, get those lunges in. If you're feeling very active or you're feeling like you want to go a little bit harder, you guys can do slight jumping lunges. Just make sure you get that movement in, and we're doing 8 for each leg. Really just waking up the muscle, getting those knees prepared. And it's very important to wake yourself up and warm your body up properly, which I think everyone should do before doing any sort of intense exercise. Now it's going to get a little harder. We're going to go into squat jumps. So with squat jumps, basically make sure you're getting good depth, and we're going to do these for 30 seconds. And the great thing about using squat jumps is your legs are your biggest muscle, and this is what in turn burns the most calories in terms of using one muscle. So 30 seconds, try to explode up, really challenge yourself, really push yourself at this point. It's going to be tough, but that's okay. We embrace that hardness. We embrace the grind. Next, we're going to do a core focus movement, which is basically going to involve crunches. We're going to do crunches for 45 seconds, and there's 2 ways you can do a crunch. You can do a half crunch, or you can do a full body crunch. This really depends on your level of fitness. I say go for the full body crunch just to see how you feel, but if you're a complete beginner, go ahead and go for the regular crunch. Just get those abs activated because you're going to feel it either way, honestly. And if you're going to be doing this daily, you got to be mindful of your body and not to overexert yourself too much before the next day. Now we're getting to the end game. So next we're going to do ground jumps. Basically, you're going to start with your knees on the ground, explode up, and you're going to do that again. And we're doing that for 30 seconds as well. Now this might be a bit tough for someone who's just getting into it. So you guys can do a slower get up and just try to get yourself up as fast as possible without jumping if that is too much for you or too much pressure on your joints. Because at the end of the day, it's a case-by-case person, and it depends on the person. So you have to be mindful of your limitations. And now we're gonna finish off with high knees. So basically with the high knees, I want you guys to keep it going fast, go as hard as you can. And we're gonna get this for a minute, at least 30 seconds, but maximum a minute. And just go hard as you can. Really pump out that, really pump out the exercise. Really feel yourself. Get those knees up. Try to get them as high as possible, and maintain that clean, nice form. All right, guys, and that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like if you did, and comment down below what you guys want to see next. We're getting in summer, we're getting our body tight, we're chasing those aesthetics, and I really want to help you guys take yourself to the next level. So I'll see you next time.